Hello friends, today I am here to present a speech for all the students in a easy language on the occasion of World Student Day. Dear children, you know that 15th October World Students Day is celebrated on APJ Abdul Kalam's birth anniversary, a legend personality of India. The World Student Day is also called Vidyarthi Divas in India. In 2010, the United Nations declared 15th October as World Student Day. His affection for the youth of the nation made his birth anniversary a World Student Day. He achieved number of awards like Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, Bharat Ratna and many more like that in his life. And you know he is a great aerospace scientist and also served the nation as the 11th President of India. World Student Day is a global celebration that focuses on diversity, cooperation and multiculturalism among students globally. He also known as the Missile Man of India for his work on the development of ballistic missile and launched vehicle technology. He always wanted to see India as a developed country, and he always said that the most important characteristic of a student is to question. Let the students ask a question. He was the author of many inspirational books, but the most famous being Wings of Fire and the second one is India 2020. He always tried to motivate every and each students. At last, we can say that World Student Day is a celebration of diversity, multiculturalism, cooperation among the student, display and celebrate their acts of social responsibility. And also have gathering on campus. World Student Day is a very special for all the students. Respected APJ Abdul Kalam suffered a cardiac attack while delivering a lecture to the students on 27th July 2015. At last I want to say we all must give a big salute to respected Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam with lots of respect. Thank you so much.